Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up custom LED notifications for your OnePlus Nord C E2. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now write NotifyBuddy and select search. From here select this app and press on the install. When it's done, we can click on the open and go to the next step. Grant both of the permissions to the app, notification permissions, and you need to select NotifyBuddy, then allow notifications, again allow, go back, and do the same with overlay. Find NotifyBuddy and allow its access. The third option right here is battery optimization, and you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. So let's move to the next step and press OK. From here we can see there's 4 tabs, and we can change multiple settings here. So in the user you can see the apps that you've installed yourself on the phone. On the system you will see all the system apps that you can allow notifications for. So let me allow to get the LED notifications from YouTube Music, and in the system I'm gonna find Chrome. So in active you will see the apps that you just allowed LED notifications for, and in the settings you can customize the LED lamp itself. So we can change its size, position, its blinking interval or time between blinks. Very deep settings. So but most of them are locked behind premium, so keep that in mind. Now if we press on the test, we can see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.